Today we're going to be repairing the Old Town Autopilot 120 dry box storage compartment. If you don't know, every time it opens, it rubs the seat. And if you do get it open, it doesn't want to close. So we're going to fix that today. And the way to do that is remove the seat from here. And we're going to be cutting this off right here to allow the seat to scoot over just that much. I don't know if you can see that there. It's about 1/4 of an inch, almost 1/4 of an inch, and I think that should be just enough for us to get that dry part compartment box open. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this here. Let's remove that, pop that out real quick. And this is on the left hand side of the seat, so that way we can scoot it towards the left. The dry compartment box is on the right. Once we get that out, I'm gonna get this hacksaw here, and we're just gonna cut it right there, as close as we can. If you got a nice workbench, that'd be pretty nice to work on. All right, now that we got that cut off, we can pop this cap right back in there. So I cut this as well, cut about half of it off. Now we could just pop this back in there just like that. That way we have a nice finish right there. Let's test it out. Now you see, I have to clean this yak up, huh? Now you see that we have a nicer gap right here. See that there? That's going to allow the seat to be scooted that way. Opening the door. Look at that. Works flawless. All right. Seems like that works out really good. Another thing I'm going to do to prevent this from catching onto there. You see that there? Now, see the seat cap closed. It still catches in there. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to remove this guy, bring it around the back side. It shouldn't bother us too much because it's still way on the edge, and this is a pretty white seat here. And just put it back on. So let's see now. Perfect. Look at that. Now that it's all tightened up, let's give it a look. Pretty good. Look, still touching just a little bit. So what I picked up at the store were these heavy duty skid pad, anti-skid pad things. About $2.99. What we're gonna do is actually install one right here, just to keep the seat from moving from side to side. We're going to install this right there. So what I'm going to do is just drill this right there. Get that in there. Well, now that we got that drilled in there, let's give it a test. Works flawless. And that's it. I hope this helps you fix your autopilot drive box issues, and in the comments below, let me know what you think, whether it was a good idea or a bad idea. Catch you on the next one.